Welcome to Salika Mai. Today tutorial is about hem. How you can do hemming for by hand. You can see here I did with the dark color and here with the light color, and you can see even the light color is not visible. So this type of hemming we will learn today, and this video is requested by one of my YouTube student. And see, first thing is that you have to prepare your fabric by ironing properly. First I will show you with a darker color, and then I will show you hemming by a lighter color, so you can see the both result, and you can skip from here the video if you want to see the lighter color. See, you need a golden needle. So needle is very important. The selection of needle is very important. You can select a embroidery needle that is a little bit longer, and that is very fine for the hemming. So first, how to make a knot. Yes, my in-person classes, some students even want to learn how to make the knot. So for beginners everything is new. So see, that's how you can make a knot. And make sure that it's not too big and not too small, because some fabrics are like knit fabric, so it will the knot will come out easily. So anyway, we will start from here, and first we will try to hide our knot inside the fabric layer. This piping we did in our course, the beginner course. You can check in my playlist how to make the neckline with the bias binding. So see, this is double layer, and here that's how you have to hold your fabric in one finger, and from the other finger you have to adjust your tension of your fabric. So now I'm going to take only two thread stitch from the my darker color fabric, this blue fabric, hope you can see. And then on the same point I will pass my needle through my this brown color bias binding inside this, and after that I will remove it from here, and as much as I want my stitch length. So you can see here, let me do it again for you so you guys can see clearly. If it's not clear, you can check the lighter color thread. I will do also in this same video. So see, first step you have to take from the blue color fabric, and on the same point you have to pass through your needle, pass your needle through this, like see the brown color. Now on same point, if you go a little further, your thread will be visible. So from the same point you have to take two thread and then pass your needle through this brown color bias binding. And now I just removing my needle as much as long stitch I need actually. See, now it's not visible from here and not from the other side. So that's how it's very neat, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See, now again I'm going to take two stitches from the blue color, and then we'll pass from here. So hope you understand. Now I'm going to make a loop here, and now from this loop I pass my needle 2 or 3 times. I will make a loop to fix it. When I want to remove my thread, I mean the ending of the hemming, you have to make a loop, and then you have to pass through your needle from that loop. So let's start with the lighter color so you guys can better understand. So now I have a lighter color, you can see here. So again, just make here a knot, and Guys, if you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It will really help me to grow on the YouTube, because if you hit the like button, more YouTube will suggest my videos to more people. So thank you for that. So now again you can see I'm going to start from here. I will hide my knot under my this bias binding, and now I will pick two thread from the blue color fabric, and on the same point I will pass my needle through this bias binding folding. See, and then my needle will come outside from the point where I want my stitch length. So don't take stitch length too much long, it will be difficult. Sometimes we consider this, if you take a longer stitch it will take less time. No, if you take small stitches it will take less time, and it will give you more good finish and just strong finish. So now again I'm taking two thread, and from here again the same point on the bias binding I will pass my needle through this bias binding. Hope you guys can see clearly. If it's not clear, please let me know. And see, that's how. Guys, it's very important that you give me your feedback for this video. This is especially for beginners, because when you are a beginner, these things are new for you. So I try to make my video in the normal mode. I'm not doing it in fast forward mode, so you guys can understand properly, and try to practice it, and let me know if this is clear for you. So I tried my best to explain it. See, this is lighter color. Even the lighter color is not visible on my dark color. So when I said that it's invisible hemming, so it's really invisible. So you can see the result, it's not visible. And if you feel that your thread is visible on one side, any one side, try to stretch it a little. So because by stretching it, see, that's how you, if you notice, every time I stretch a little my fabric, so stretch it, so in this way you will get the neat result. And now again I'm just making a loop here. 2 or 3 times I will make here a loop, something like this, and I will pass my needle through it to fix it. Whenever you are on your ending, or you have your thread is running out, so you can just do it and again thread your needle. So hope guys you can understand this concept. Use a golden needle instead of silver golden needle that we use for the embroidery. You can see the lighter thread is not even visible, and this is the darker one, this is the lighter one, and this is the darker one. You can't tell the difference. So that's how the result is so very neat. And after this the next step is to iron it properly. So see, here is some gatherings, some wrinkles you can feel. So at this point you need to do the iron properly, and after that it's the finish. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Please don't forget to give me your feedback, and please tell me what next you want to learn, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It will really help me to grow on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.